Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious smoothie. First, select your favorite fruits and vegetables, like 1 cup of spinach or half a banana. Choose a liquid base such as almond milk, water, or juice, about 1 cup. Make sure all your ingredients are fresh and ready to be blended. This simple process ensures a great start to your healthy drink. Now, let's talk about what goes in. For a perfectly chilled smoothie, use about 1 cup of frozen fruit like berries or mango. If you want extra protein, add 1 scoop of your favorite protein powder. Don't forget a handful of leafy greens, such as spinach or kale, for added vitamins without altering the taste much. Time to blend. Always pour your liquid base into the blender first. This helps the blades move freely. Next, add softer ingredients, followed by frozen items and ice. Start blending on a low setting, then gradually increase the speed until everything is smooth. Aim for a creamy, consistent texture, which usually takes about 60 seconds. Your delicious smoothie is ready. Pour it into your favorite glass and enjoy it right away for the best taste and nutritional benefits. You can garnish it with a few fresh berries or a sprinkle of chia seeds for an extra touch. Remember to check the description below for a link to Little Tree's black ice and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and happy blending.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.